What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today, we're going to be doing a 3-week review of the MPOW MDots wireless earbuds. But before we get started, I would highly appreciate it if you guys could do all that cool YouTube stuff and help your boy out. It definitely helps the channel. So first things first, we're going to touch on the specs right quick. They have Bluetooth version 5.0. They are Ipx6 water resistant. They are compatible with Android and iOS, but no app. They do have micro USB, but for the price, I can forgive it. And speaking of the price, as of this video in April 2021, they're $19 after a $4 off coupon. So the price is definitely right. They claim to have 20 hours of playback with the case and 4 hours of playback with 2 hours of charging time as advertised. I got about 19 hours or so with the case and about 3.75 hours per bud at max volume. So I assume around 85%, you should be able to hit that advertised mark. You can listen to one earbud at a time, which is clutch. They have low latency for watching video content, and I can confirm that it works seamlessly. No lag at all. So next up are the strings. They have good bass, not very deep, good mids, and decent highs. They're definitely good for listening to regular music. I myself listen to hip hop and R&B, but I tested with rock, pop, country, podcasts, and YouTube, and I can confirm they sound good. They're very comfortable for extended use. They're great for the gym and walking and even some running because of the small size, and they come with the ear wing fin thing. So it's kind of, that little fin thing that kind of keeps everything in place. So that's definitely a good thing. And like I said before, they are Ipx6 waterproof. So definitely a nice pair of just some beater gym earbuds if you don't want to take your expensive ones there. They have click controls and they work great. Now on to the weaknesses. I'm going to be nitpicking a bit, but the micro USB is trash in my opinion. And the overall sound profile could be a bit better. And the call quality is decent, but definitely passable for a quick conversation. So now on to my final thoughts. But even with that being said, all the weaknesses, I can easily recommend these with or without the coupon because at less than $25, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. And these are some nice stocking stuffers, in my humble opinion. So, if you guys want to cop a couple of these and throw them in throw them in some stockings, it'll be good to go. But hey, I'm just some guy of YouTube. Well, with that being said, I'm not going to take up too much more of your time, and I'm going to get you guys up out of here. So please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you in advance. You guys take care of each other. Peace.